you like my dotting design, here is everything you need to know to create your own. Dotting in real life is a slow, relaxing and meditative process. So in this video, I will provide a quick and easy step-by-step guide. Please pause at any moment and take your time to complete each step. For this project we need some black art paper or black canvas. Paints we need white pearl, dandelion, tiger lily, rich espresso, sapphire, ultramarine blue. Optional paints we may need black to correct any mistakes. Any shiny and sparkling paints to enhance our dots like glitter red. Also optional is clear acrylic sealer to seal the final look. We need some dotting tools ranging from 1 to 15 mm in diameter. We need some small containers with the lids and a couple of small brushes. First, we need to divide a circle into 24 equal parts. Please watch this video for more details, or here is a quick summary. Connect corner to corner, middle to middle, draw a large circle, using the same radius left and right, connect all the dots. Also, I like to draw more circles to keep our design symmetrical. We start with tiger lily, using the largest tool number 15, white pearl, tool number 1, dots around. Dandelion, tool number 3, dots around. Ultramarine blue, tool number 6. I like my dots fat and outstanding, so I always add more paint on top. Rich espresso, tool number 1, dot on top. White pearl, tool number 8, 1 dot. Rich espresso, tool number 1, dots around. White pearl, tool number 4, 1 dot, and using tool number 1 to drag it. Do it while the paint is still wet. Ultramarine blue. Let's just follow the steps. Tool number 3, white pearl, taper. White pearl, tool number 1, dots around. Using tool number 3, taper. Here I messed up. Remove the unwanted paint while it is still wet. Using black, paint it over. Let it dry and continue. Moving on to the corners. Tool number 12, 1 dot. Tool number 6, 2 dots. And now is my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. Add some pearl white into the color to make it lighter and brighter. It brings more texture and definition to our dots and add more vibrancy to our painting. Some final touches. When the paint is dry, gently clean the chalk marks with a slightly damp paper towel. Optional, spray it with a sealer to preserve the painting. And now our project is done. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous dotting mandala project with me and had a good time. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and enjoy more dotting projects together in my next video.